Starting off, I'm using the ABH primer, and this primer is really nice. I love it. I don't have any creasing with this primer. It's so good. It's so good. So I'm spreading that, and then I'm going immediately into the ABH X Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm using Brick Road, and I'm just packing this into the inner corner of the eye. Then going in with a fluffy blending brush from Alssya Beverly Hills as well. I'm just blending out the edges so nothing is harsh, and then I go back in and pack more color. Then going into Texas Made, I pack that directly where Brick Road stops and then a little bit over it. And then I'll blend that out as well. Next, taking Dream It, I'm blending that directly where Texas Made stop on the outer edge, and oh my god, this blue color is so pigmented. It actually takes like a little bit more work to blend this one out than the rest of the colors, so just a heads up, gotta put a little bit more elbow grease in there, okay? So then I wasn't satisfied with how the pink and the yellow were blending together, so I went back in and just put a little bit more of the Texas Made just so those two could blend together a little bit more seamlessly. And then I went and started to tap over Dream It. It didn't blend very well to me with the blending brush, but using tapping motions over the edge of Dream It and Texas Made really blended it together. It was a little bit more easier to blend it that way. So I forgot to film this part, but I went in, cut the crease, and I used headliner in the inner portion of that cut crease. And next to that, I took Texas Made directly in the center. I took the color Inspire, and it's more of a kind of like a light goldish color, kind of like a silver goldish color. So I don't know if it's going to show up on camera. And I also took headliner and formed a wing. So the shadows that I'm laying down on top, which is the same 3 colors, will be pigmented. So go in with Brick Road again on the inner portion, and then next to that we lay Texas Made, and then next to that we lay Dream It on the outer tail. For my under eye, I took the primer and blended it out. It really smoothed it out. And then I took headliner again and put it on the inner portion so that Brick Road could stand out and be super pigmented and bright and pop. Then for the middle portion, I again took Texas Made and really packed that color on. I took Dream It on the outer portion and connected it to the wing that we made earlier. For eyeliner, I'm using one from ColourPop and Get Paid. I love this eyeliner. I've had it for so long. It comes in clutch sometimes. Then I go in and curl my lashes and use some of the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. Match it up, make them equal. Honorable mention here, I'm using the ABH Shimmer Body Oil because I love her. She's that girl, so she has to get some shine in the video. And that is it. This was a quick video. Yay for a 5-minute little tutorial, little mini. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.